بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ومنهم أميون لا يعلمون الكتاب إلا أماني وإن هم إلا يظنون.
And among them are unlettered ones who do not know the scriptures except the wishful thinking, but they are only assuming.
فويل للذين يكتبون الكتاب بأيديهم ثم يقولون هذا من عند الله ليشتروا به ثمنا قليلا فويل لهم مما كتبت أيديهم وويل لهم مما يكسبون.
So woe those who write the scriptures with their own hands, then they say this is from Allah in order to exchange it for a small price. Woe to them for what their hands have written, and woe to them for what they earn.
وقالوا لا تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودة قل أتخذتم عند الله عهدا فلن يخلف الله عهده أم تقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون.
And they say, never will the fire touch us except for a few days. Say, have you taken a covenant with Allah? For Allah will never break his covenant. Or do you say about Allah that which you do not know?
بلى من كسب سيئة وأحاطت به خطيئته فأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Yes, whoever earns evil and his sin has encompassed him. Those are the components of the fire. They will abide therein eternally.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
But they who believe and do righteous deeds, those are the components of paradise. They will abide therein eternally.
وإذ أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل لا تعبدون إلا الله وبالوالدين إحسانا وذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وقولوا للناس حسنا وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة ثم توليتم إلا قليلا منكم وأنتم معرضون.
And recall when we took the covenant from the children of Israel, enjoining upon them, do not worship except Allah, and to parents do good and to relatives, orphans and the needy, and speak to people good words, and establish prayer and give zakat. Then you turned away except a few of you, and you were refusing.
وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم لا تسفكون دماءكم ولا تخرجون أنفسكم من دياركم ثم
And recall when we took your covenant, saying, do not shed each other blood or evict one another from your homes. Then you acknowledged this while you were witnessing.
صدق الله العظيم.